My TJI Friends, welcome back to my budget-friendly glamorous life. I am so excited for today's video. I will be showing you some of the organizational bins that I picked up from my local Dollar Tree, and they are really pretty this year. I'm not sure if this is the first time they've brought out pastel color organizational bins, but I'm pretty used to at my local Dollar Tree seeing like the bright greens and dark blues and like hot pinks and like the whites of the organizational colors. But this year they brought out some really pretty pastel colors, I guess, for the spring. So I'm really excited to show you what I picked up. Right now my focus is on closet organization, so a lot of the items will be going inside of the kids' closet. I already gave you a sneak peek on my Instagram page of how I am starting to organize Nala's closet, and then I'll show you Kennan's closet too. So I'll probably put the closet reveal and how I organize everything on this channel. But yeah, some of the items that I picked up today will be used for that, so I'm excited about that. And a lot of the items are on the go organizational items that I picked up, because like usually at home I'm pretty organized with having things in certain spots, but on the go I needed some organizational things, and I'm going to show you what I mean by that and what I purchased in this video. This channel is all about deals, fashion on a budget, interior design on a budget. I have a lot of hauls, budget-friendly hauls on this channel as well, so I'm really excited about all the videos that I have coming up. If you enjoy videos like that, please hit that notification bell so you don't miss any uploads from me, and subscribe if you like what you see, and hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. So I'm really excited about everything, and without further ado, let's get into today's video. Okay, so the first items, some of the items I already have put away in like the kids' closets or around the house. So I'm going to show you what I have, but I'm going to show you in probably a different color than what they have in the closets. So I picked up, this is the first one I picked up. I love this basket. I actually have it in gray. They've had this in gray before, but I picked it up in this really pretty blue color. And what I'm going to use this for, this is going to be Kennan's crayon and school day basket. So I'm going to put his crayons in here, and like the things he usually uses daily for his schoolwork. He has the one with like that lid on it, but him going back and forth closing the lid done broke off several times. So I'm just like, this has handles, he can carry it and put it back in his organizational bookcase. But I thought this would be really good. All he has to do is get the colors out and color and put them back without the lid, because the lid breaks off anyway. That works for me. But yeah, I thought this was really nice, and I love this color. So next I picked up these baskets, and you can see up close. So I'm going to be using these in the kids' closet. I already have Nala's in there. Actually, Nala's, although I picked up the pink, I think I'm going to spray paint the pink one gold. I'm going to see how it looks gold. But I have, oh actually I have one here. I didn't realize I had the pretty gray. This is such a pretty, like, I don't know if it's like a taupe or like a light gray. It's like the color of our walls here. It's really pretty. But I have this one actually in Nala's room, and then I have the pink ones, but I just thought it was like too much pink in her, you know, in her area. I'm trying to get away from all of the pink. Like, I got rid of a lot of pink stuff. I think I have some gold spray paint that I think that will look really nice on this. So I'm going to see if it works. I can't promise you that it's going to turn out nicely, but I can only try. and see how it comes out, you know, and I'll show you how it turns out on my Instagram page. And then when I do all my organization videos, you'll probably see what it looks like in gold if it worked out. So I picked these up. Like, these baskets are so like handy. Like, I found so many great uses for these, so I'm going to show you in that organization video, and I'm really excited about it. So yeah, I picked up this. I also picked up in these bins. So yeah, so I thought these were really cute. Although this is the pink color, I have a use for this. And I got the pretty blue for Kennen's area too. So not only did I pick up these, I picked up the larger ones. I think they're just like wider, and I put the kids Valentine's Day items in there, and I'm going to show you in a little clip of what they look like, and they fit perfectly. It's not the traditional red, and I did that because I'm going to use the baskets when I'm done, you know, giving it to them for Valentine's Day. So I tried to think about little things like that. Like, am I going to use, if I bought the red one, I probably wouldn't have used it again. So yeah, so that's why I picked up the wider ones in these colors. So next I picked up these baskets. They are really pretty. This is a nice like mauve color. I don't know if you can tell the color of this one. It wasn't too like pinky-ish. I don't know if that's a word, but it's not too pink. This one, and then I picked up a lighter version, and I'll show you in a minute when I tell you what I'm going to use it for. But yeah, this one, I picked up this color for Ken. Like, I think I went crazy with this color for Ken because it matches his room so well. His room is like black and white with like colors, and yeah, this is really nice. And I've never showed you his room, but I promise you I'm gonna show you soon what his room looks like. It's really cute. We got him a new loft bed. He absolutely loves his bed. So yeah, but yeah, I got this one in this color, and then of course I absolutely love this like grayish tone color. They actually had, I had this basket before. I was like, this basket looks familiar in our home. I had this basket before from Dollar Tree. They had the darker gray, I think last year. They had a lot of gray items last year, but this year, I don't know. It's something about like this pretty like color that I like this year. I know you're probably thinking like, what can you put in a basket like this? Because you see like the big holes, things will fall through. In the virtual learning video that I showed you his is it the book case where I put organizational case that I was putting things in, and these baskets really work well. So also from Dollar Tree, I absolutely love the plastic zip envelopes. I am faithful to these envelopes. This is perfect for organizing, like if you are homeschooling, if you're doing virtual learning, if your kids have like a lot of things like puzzle pieces and things like that. These are perfect for those. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. I already have some of their paints and stuff, their watercolors that I used last year. Like they always had these. I didn't take notice to them, or at least they had them last year. And these are their watercolors from last year, and I just have everything in this bag, and it fits right into this basket. And you can put a few of them in there, and I can just put it in. The only thing about this, you're gonna have to probably put a label. I am so terrible with ripping the labels off. I'm so terrible with that. So if you have like some type of suggestion for me with that, if not, you could just get, Dollar Tree has the white thick labels. You could just put that thick label over that and just write what's going to be in this. But this is what I do. I have all their watercolors in there, and paints and stuff, and then just pop pop it in here and there you go, and you can just slide it wherever you need to put it. So I feel like that works, because if not, if I was to just to pour all of these out, those little crayon markers would fall through. It would just be a junk mess. So just try to keep it as organized as possible, and this really works well for our family. Okay, so I also picked up, this is usually like a shoe organization box. They only have pink and blue. I kind of wanted like a clear, see if they had like that taupe color gray one or clear. They didn't have it at my local Dollar Tree. It could be at yours, but I picked up this storage box because my daughter needs like a hair box. She has like bows and bows and bows, but in like this big old storage box. I could think of a word, storage box, but this would be easier for like, she has like little beads and stuff in her hair, like those packs of beads, like combs, brushes. I feel like I had this box when I was a kid with all of our hair stuff in there, like the little bitty hair pieces. So I picked up this storage box for that, so I'm probably going to use that for that. And so last but not least, in this haul, I wanted to show you some on the go organizational items that I picked up. Like I said, I'm pretty good with organizing the house and different things like that, like closets and drawers and rooms and stuff. But on the go organization items, I needed that, because usually I'm just throwing stuff in my bag, throwing stuff in the kids' bags, and there's like no rhyme or reason to it. It's just like a whole bunch of stuff in the bag. So I picked up some things. Like I saw that they had the reusable containers for like food, so this is perfect for on the go. Like I shared with you guys, I think on Instagram, I'm not sure if I shared it on here, monthly we try to do things as a family, meaning we'll try to do like a little getaway every month or something, just to, you know, have memories and things like that to look back on and just to have a good time, because we are home with this pandemic. So being able to just do some family time, get away, even if we just go to a hotel and just stay inside the hotel, a new scenery helps so much with us just being home all the time. So we've been doing that, like little road trips. We'll just take a long drive and just drive to different places just to see, and then we'll come home. Just nothing crazy too much, but these are good for on the go, and I'm so excited because you get, how many you get in one? You'll get 3 different containers in one, and it's like an ombre color of how it looks. So these are really good. My husband loses these all the time, so that's why I stocked up on them this time. But yeah, these are really good. They're really pretty. Like I said, I picked up the pink, I picked up the pretty blue color, and I picked up gray. So that's really, really good. Like I feel like that price is really well. That's cute for like salads or whatever. You can put toys and stuff in there too. Like if you want to put like toys on the go, you can do all of that. It's not necessarily used just for food. So I just needed some ways to organize my bag and when we go away and do things like that, so it's just not like all just thrown everywhere. I also picked up this sandwich lock top containers, and they were really nice for $1, and I feel like the quality is even really good this year. I don't know, maybe it's just my excitement, but I just feel like the quality is actually really good. I picked up gray, I picked up these containers. This is good for like celery. I don't know if you can see, but there's like 2 compartments. You can put like dip here, and then like celeries or carrots or whatever you want to do here. So I thought that was really cute. This is the pink one. And I got the gray one. So I just like stuff like this. Like you can just pick it up and go, pack it the night before, throw it in the bag and just go. Everything is organized, nothing is like leaking. I also picked up these mini containers. I got the pink, and then I also got the gray color. So for the small ones, I feel like they would be handy for when I cut up like their fruit, like when I cut up their grapes or strawberries, things like that. I can put them in these little containers, or just say I can put like their fruit snacks, open a pack and have them already in here. So all they have to do is open up their little containers, because sometimes they have a hard time opening the little fruit snack bags, so they can already be in here. So that's an idea too. So these, I'm so happy with Dollar Tree this year, guys. I'm so happy with them. And next I have the little drawer organizers. I thought this was really cute too. I'm not sure, I think they had these before. I'm not sure if they had the this color gray or white color, but I think they had these before. This would be cute for Nala's jewelry. I can put some earrings in this one, and then I can put her like bracelets in this one, or rings or things like that. So I thought this was cute to put in her closet space. And like I said, I'm going to show you guys how her closet looks soon once I finish it. Just waiting on a couple more things to come in for that, and then I can reveal it to you all. And second to last but not least, I picked up this soup on the go soup mugs. I think these are really cute. They have the tops on them. They have like that steam vent right there, so the steam can come out of it. You can put them in the microwave, the freezer, the top rack of the dishwasher, and they are BPA free. So these are all really good containers. I really love this on the go. And my Dollar Tree had a lot of these like already still in the pack, like this. Like a lot of the stuff that I purchased that wasn't like in like the plastic wrap, they were like in this. I don't know if Dollar Tree is doing that, but I thought that was really good. So everyone's not like touching everything. So yeah. That's the pink one. This is a pretty light pink color. And then I got that gray color. And I need to go back and pick up another one, because I only picked up 3. I should have picked up 4. But yeah. So I got those. So last but not least, it's not really on the go type of item, but I picked this up because I thought it would be nice if we do go somewhere and we have our own little pitcher, a little plastic pitcher to put our own stuff in, whether it's ice, going to an ice machine, going to anything, making our own little cute different types of drinks and stuff like that. So I thought this was really nice. I got the pink one. I thought it was nice because it was a light pink. It wasn't like a bright pink hitting my face. But yeah, they had this blue. They had like all the colors there too. So I may go back and pick up like the clear or the taupe colored one too. So these were nice, only $1. And I thought these would be really good for cute birthday, picnic outside, or whatever you need to do. So I was happy about that. I'm actually happy about everything that I purchased. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos from me, and also hit that notification bell so you don't miss any videos from me. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.